Hey everyone, welcome back. We've explored many powerful RAG techniques, but most of them follow a fixed process: retrieve, then generate. But what if our AI could act more like a human expert, analyzing its own answers and refining its strategy each time? That's exactly what we're building today: an adaptive RAG system. This is an AI that doesn't just follow instructions, it learns, adjusts, and improves its performance dynamically in real time. Adaptive RAG is a next generation retrieval system designed to think on its feet. Unlike traditional RAGs that give one static answer, Adaptive RAG introduces a dynamic, iterative loop. It features four powerful capabilities: dynamic query reformulation, where the system modifies its own questions based on what it already knows; iterative retrieval, which lets it run multiple search rounds to progressively improve accuracy; adaptive chunk selection, allowing it to fine-tune how much information it considers each time; and relevance feedback, where it evaluates the quality of its own outputs to guide future searches. In simple terms, it answers a question, judges the quality of that answer, and if it's not good enough, it asks itself a better version of the same question until it's satisfied. To bring this to life, we'll dive into the code. The setup is straightforward. We'll install the essential libraries: LangChain, Grok, ChromaDB, and Sentence Transformers. After importing the modules, we'll set up our API keys for Grok and Hugging Face. Once that's done, we define the heart of our project: the Adaptive RAG class. This class manages the entire process, from document loading to running the adaptive loop. Inside the _init method, we initialize our language model, embedding model, and retriever. The load documents method loads our dataset, splits it into chunks, and builds the Chroma vector store for retrieval. The real intelligence lies in the query reformulation method. It takes the previous query and context and uses the LLM to generate a refined version of the question, focusing on missing details or unexplored angles. The generate answer method handles the core RAG task of producing an answer using the retrieved documents. Finally, the is answer satisfactory method acts as our feedback loop. For simplicity, we'll just check if the answer is sufficiently detailed. But in real systems, you can implement advanced confidence scoring or LLM-based self-evaluation. Now let's look at the run method, the brain of our system. This method powers the entire adaptive process. It starts an iterative loop that runs multiple times until a satisfactory answer is achieved or the maximum iteration count is reached. In the first pass, the system uses the original query. In each subsequent round, it uses the query reformulation method to generate a smarter, more specific query. Each iteration follows the same cycle: retrieve relevant documents from Chroma, generate an answer using the LLM, store the results, and then evaluate the quality of the response. If the system deems the answer good enough, it exits the loop with confidence. Otherwise, it automatically reformulates the question and tries again, getting closer to the perfect answer with every pass. This looped refinement process is what makes Adaptive RAG revolutionary. It's no longer a static system, but an AI that thinks and learns dynamically during execution. Let's see it in action with a live demo. We'll create an instance of the Adaptive RAG class and feed it a simple dataset containing the capitals of France, Germany, and the UK. When we ask, "What is the capital of France?" the system begins its iterative process. In the first iteration, it retrieves Paris as the answer. But since it's short and lacks explanation, our satisfaction check fails, prompting a second iteration. This time, the model reformulates the question to something like, "What is the capital of a country other than Germany, the United Kingdom, or France?" A surprisingly creative way to explore more context. With each pass, it refines both the question and the answer, demonstrating real adaptability. The system finally outputs Paris again, but this time accompanied by reasoning and references, showcasing how the loop improves answer depth and quality. This is the hallmark of an adaptive RAG. It doesn't stop at good, it keeps going until it's great. And that's how you build an adaptive RAG system: an AI that can reflect, iterate, and refine its reasoning to find the best possible answer. This marks a major step toward the future of retrieval augmented systems that can self-correct and evolve during inference. The complete source code for this project is available on my GitHub. The link is in the description below. Also, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn and GitHub to stay updated with my latest AI and RAG projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding!